We are thrilled to partner with Paintback in the first ever collaboration of its kind. Through it, we will upcycle unwanted domestic paint into all Laykold court systems and the backing of all turf products made here in Australia. A standard Laykold court will save 124 1-litre cans of paint from landfill and waterways.
Paintback was formed in 2016 by the biggest paint companies within Australia at the time. I travelled all around the world to see the types of technology that exists in paint recovery, and I combined different technologies and put it under one roof.
So we're trying to find new uses for our reclaimed paint, and we wanted to partner with like-minded industry partners to perform R&D. We identified APT as having a really good appetite for environmentally friendly and innovative solutions, but also having a really strong R&D capability. So it was a real natural fit to sort of collaborate and try and find a new use for our recycled paint.
APT is the biggest sports surface manufacturer for synthetic grass, courts and tracks in Australia. It is important for us to set the standard in athlete and environmental performance. We already use sugarcane technology in our synthetic grass, and our Laykold courts and Recatan tracks are made using renewable and recycled content, and we use recycled rainwater from our factory roof. But we're always looking for new opportunities in the green tech space. Paintback made perfect sense as our next environmental innovation.
Paint's a really interesting material to play around with, which is why I love working with Paintback. It is challenging. We obviously need to understand the user needs and what good performance looks like. When it comes to recycling material as well, it has to be better performing, or at least meeting the current performance of those systems or those materials that we're looking to replace. So it was a bit of a challenge, but APT were a really good partner and it's very collaborative. We've worked with APT for over 3 years in developing this, and R&D can be a lengthy process.
The formulation we have developed means you get Grand Slam quality courts using up to 22% recycled paint. And we are also incorporating Paintback into the backing of our turf products while keeping the Olympic quality. So it's been a complex scientific process with a great outcome.
We receive a lot of paint through the scheme, to date 51 million kilograms since 2016, and as you can imagine, in everyone's shed there's a tin of paint waiting for a new home. With APT we're really trying to find that higher order use of using our paint for something that's good and something Australians can be excited about.
Our goal is to save 100 tonnes of unused paint per year from landfill and waterways via our Laykold core systems, and a further 140 tonnes in our Ligaturf, Polygrass and Sinlawn artificial turf systems. We want to lead the sports surface industry towards a greener future, and to get more Australians donating their unused paint to Paintback.
Paintback's on a mission to recycle over 90% of the paint and packaging that we receive through the scheme, so unlocking applications like this in sports courts is really important for us to reach our target.
Our installers are already embracing the innovation. With Laykold, they have told us that the formulation feels the same as the regular mix, and councils, schools and clubs love it from a sustainability point of view. Sports organisations like Tennis Australia continue to set standards in sustainability, so responding with further enhanced green technology in Laykold is important. Our Melbourne ISO certified factory manufactures Laykold for use throughout Asia. So from 2026, our Paintback court formulation will be used in pro tournaments across Asia. The same applies to our Melbourne-made turf systems, which are rolled out across Asia Pacific.